She lied, she'll hide, time to get her back. Her cries disguise it, she slits your back. You thought that I was in love, you thought that this would be fun, but look who's laughing now, hun, now that I got her.
Trust you, well honey, you're dead wrong if you don't think I love you, baby. Get back, cause I've been bad, I'm a sick rat with the click track. No love, no trust, but I won't fix that.
A snake under my sleeve, it's poison air I breathe. It's so unfair, your needs weren't met completely.
Just know we're not me, we're all just crooks and thieves. Tell hearts will beat until your eyes are underneath. Until you're underneath. You thought that I was in love, you thought that this would be fun, but look who's laughing now, now that I got a gun. Just twirl your hair, no, I won't care what you did. It's only fair, you caught a snare, then tripped onto his lips. Now we'll grab your hair, drag you down the stairs, better watch out, don't slip. I've seen the text, I know the rest, there's a reason I like
A snake under my sleeve, it's poison air I breathe. You thought that you knew me, but not completely.
Just know we're not me, we're all just crooks and thieves. Tell hearts will beat until your eyes are underneath. Until you're underneath. You thought that I was in love, you thought that this would be fun, but look who's laughing now, now that I got a gun. In the basement and worship Patrick Bateman. Mommy issues, I'm impatient. Some may say that I am Satan. All my issues, I won't face them. All the tissues, I'ma taste it, cause she left me unforsaken. Now I'm doctor, she's my patient. Just know we're not me, we're all just crooks and thieves. Tell hearts will beat until your eyes are underneath. Until you're underneath. You thought that I was in love, you thought that this would be fun, but look who's laughing now, now that I got a gun. I got a gun. I got a gun. I'm gonna blow your fucking brains out. You better run. You better run.
Here we go again, smile stitched in place with the mild sense of grace, but your plan lies, they can wait, cause I've heard it all before. All the dirt that's in your drawer, I just wanna be warned and not say where'd you come from? Time and time again, I found myself in light of friends, lovers that said will never end, brothers who said that they'd be dead. So put on your mask, laugh and put on an act, you'll pass for months in a flash and laugh. Where'd you come from? Hey, you got me so fucked up, I just can't wait. Can't stay. You're not the one I got. You had me in the first, wait a second, well maybe third, but I hate a lesson I've already learned. After a few months people turn. You're a loaded gun waiting to be touched. I just can't wait till someone else asks you where'd you come from? Why don't you carry your baggage with your seat? That's just free, just do that instead of hiding it from me. If I knew you came for the pits and fell, I probably would've spit and yell. Pack my shit, then run no more. Where'd you come from? Hey, you got me so up. I just can't wait to watch you show. You just keep killing me when you say you're in love with me. Now I can't stay. You're not the one I got. Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? I wish that love was a choice, but that shit's a flip of the coin. I tried to exercise myself again from the thoughts about a friend. I won't repent, I'm not heaven sent. A little makeup underneath my eyes, running down, they say the boys don't cry. They're full of lies, they never try. I wish that love was a choice, but that shit's a flip of the coin. I'm burning in eternal hell. I wish that I was someone else. I wish that love was a choice. Yeah. I'm not myself lately, and I think that God hates me. But I don't give a fuck, yeah, I can't open up. My rib cage is closed shut, I got an ache in my gut. I don't want another tear spilled on the carpet. We'll drown in this apartment, we're already starving. If only they knew or stepped in our shoe, walked a mile in our truth, held the thread of our noose, saw the shit we've been through, watched the inches we grew. If they saw what we could do, then maybe there wouldn't have been an end to me and you. I wish that love was a choice, but that shit's a flip of the coin. I'm burning in eternal hell. I wish that I was someone else. I wish that love was a choice. I tried to exercise myself again from the thoughts about a friend. I won't repent, I'm not heaven sent. A little makeup underneath my eyes, running down, they say the boys don't cry. They're full of lies, they never try. I wish that love was a choice, but that shit's a flip of the coin. I wish that love was